Já disse que todo me floating, but I never feel the drip when you're talking. Only meet me in the drought when you're falling. Never ask me how I like my eggs in the morning. Never ask me taking comfort in my shadow, but you seem to stay afloat cause you're shallow. You can never make a promise for tomorrow, cause all the time you choose to take has been borrowed. I just pull up, then skirt. You just pull up when it hurts. Why, why? Why, why? I just pull up, then skirt. You just pull up when it hurts. Why, why? Why, why? Daylight wants to creep in through my window. Now I've got you back in my arms. Now I'm moving from the shadows. Daylight wants to creep in through my window. Now I've got you back in my arms. Now I'm moving from the shadows. Thunder clouds, so I'm walking. I don't need to take from your talking. When the hurricane comes, I'm on back roads. When the hurricane comes, you do not know. Oh, I feel the clouds of change when I'm riding in my spaceship, calling out your rain, cause it's no one's time to soak it. You left me hopeless, swimming in your ocean. Got me thinking twice what I'm involved in. I just pull up, then skirt. You just pull up when it hurts. Why, why? I just pull up, then skirt. You just pull up when it hurts. Why, why? Daylight wants to creep in through my window. Now I've got you back in my arms. Now I'm moving from the shadows. Daylight wants to creep in through my window. Now I've got you back in my arms. Now I'm moving from the shadows. So I just pull up, then skirt. You just pull up when it hurts. Why, pull up, then skirt. Pull up when it hurts. Pull up, then skirt. Pull up when it hurts. Pull up, then skirt. Pull up when it hurts. Pull up, then skirt. Pull up when it
Looking forward
breathe, I feel like a woman. Ooh. Like a woman. Ooh. Like a woman. Ooh. I look, I breathe, I feel like a woman. Ooh. I look, I breathe, I feel like a woman. Just a little bit of power. Like a woman. Ooh. Just a little bit of power. Like a woman. Ooh. Just a little bit of power. Like a woman. Ooh. Oh, we water is a flower. Like a woman. Ooh. Smile for me, beautiful. I wanna see who you are. Smile for me, 'cause I wanna be who you are.
Oh, we keep playing open planes. We sat back and watched the people change. And now it's opening doors, hoping it will make your way to us. But we can't stop or find nobody, and there's no surprise. So I keep on raffling, she can't stop me, hoping it will be happening. And I can't keep denying it. It's true that I'm admiring. But we can't stop or find nobody, and there's no surprise.
Smile for me, beautiful. I wanna see who you are. Smile for me, 'cause I wanna be who you are.
So she was in France, so I couldn't complain. And I was so sold, and it's never gonna change.
Never gon' change.
She got me all in ties, but I ain't gonna spit till I see a smile. We can't stop or find nobody, and there's no surprise. And I just gotta hold on tight. No one ever felt free so right. We ain't stopping for nobody and fun.
Smile for me, beautiful. I wanna see who you are. Smile for me,
lost with the moon and the break of the light. Caught in the haze, I just wanna be lost in your eyes. I said I know what I want. You can do what you want. I know I said it before, but you can do what you want. I said I know what I want. You can do what you want. I know I said it before, but you can do what you want. Sometimes I see you in my dreams. You are the only fantasy I see.
Hello and welcome to you all as our coverage of the opening fixture of the International Champions Cup gets underway. It is a slightly new concept for some of you, but it is a special invitation event held both stateside and in Asia, as it has been since 2013. Interest in the competition has been phenomenal. It has drawn in crowds of over 100,000, which signal again that football is indeed a worldwide sport. It presents a rare opportunity for fans who cannot travel to watch their clubs or their favourite players to see them right on their own doorstep. And we have in front of us this gloriously imposing arena, absolutely picture perfect for a game of this nature. Near hysteria generated everywhere the teams have gone. A lot of young faces amongst the crowds. These are the next generation of fans.
Yeah, I totally agree, Peter. It's a cracking event when it comes to the feel-good factor, but it's also to back up the good work they've already done here. I think both clubs know that at the end of this, each will have left the right impression.
So it's away we go then. So Jim, tell me this, who are you looking for in particular here?
Of course, Sergio Ramos. He's a real rock at the back, Peter. Certainly never one to be beaten for strength nor pace. What might prove more important in the long term are his leadership qualities and the way his presence at the back just seems to spread confidence throughout whatever team he's playing in. As an added bonus, he's quite a threat from set pieces too, you know.
Yeah, the scourge of so many strikers. Steered in. Varane tries to clear. Looking to force his way through. Out to the right. Vinicius Junior! Taarabt. And it's played forward. Well, of course, this is the first really big game of pre-season, and so, Jim, the manager's actions and his statements, his tactics, his thoughts...
Well, it just goes to show you, Peter, the level of expectation and interest.
Scrutiny.
Yeah, I mean, they really want to hit the ground running, so as much as there's so much excitement around, there's also added pressure.
Sergio Ramos. Rafael Varane. Toni Kroos. Rafael Varane. Questions were asked, and he's given the answers. Rafa Silva gets it back. Too much on that, it's gone out.
It's a busy front line, lots of movement.
And is that working for you?
Well, not really. To be honest, I'm not a great fan of taking goal potential away from the penalty pucks.
Half-time whistle goes. So another team has broken through, but certainly not for the want of trying. Been an interesting game up to now, but still goals. What do you think we're up to after 45 minutes?
Well, they've never really been threatened in the first half. I think it's been a magnificent team effort. The work rate has been superb. Very, very organised.
An engrossing half, but we're still where we started, 0-0. And we're underway again. special time of year in the European footballing cycle. It's where it all begins again. Lifting of the trophy, the winners' medals. That was all back in May. A mere reminder, a relic of the glory that was and what may be to come, perhaps for one of these. So red and white, of course, the preeminent colours at Old Trafford, which is now officially the largest club football ground in England. Its capacity 75,000 and growing. So here it is, what we've all been waiting for. Make sure you are strapped in and ready to go.
Bring it on, Peter. I'm looking forward to a competition that always delivers entertainment, whether through its football or indeed its supporting cast of emotions. Neither of these teams will want a trip back to the drawing board after this, so I think we can expect something quite lively.
So it's down to business here. Jim, who do you reckon is pivotal?
Well, a player who's learned fast for me is Luke Shaw, a fullback who likes to involve himself in matters at the offensive end of the pitch, but he covers the ground with speed and a good work ethic, so I think he's coming on really well.
Yes, he'd be my pick too. It's going to be all about... Tries a shot! Oh, just lacked a decent finish.
Look, it was achievable, Peter, but it needed his best.
Draxler.
Just to point out, Peter, that the fullbacks are quite high.
And what do they try to achieve?
Well, it's obviously a move to push the opposition wide men back and give them more to think about.
This was gone, that's a foul. It's not taken him long, and that's going to be a booking. Drexler tries to stroke it through. Has a goal! Oh, that's a fine save!
Di Maria really must have felt he had the measure of the keeper then, but how wrong he was.
He's had a shot! Oh, the ball's come loose! Another chance! Brings it forward. Marco Verratti. Draxler. So it is still 0-0. And here's Di Maria. Di Maria! Good hit. Keep the keeper honest. Wan-Bissaka. Helps available out wide. Neymar. Neymar's towering header. There it is! That's no fluke. It's what he was there for.
Well, for me, that's just pure predatory brilliance. It's not so much the finish, but the way he read the situation when nobody else was even alert to it. It's fantastic.
wanna shine, What you do as you said you would, you would, you would. I don't believe you. I don't believe you. I don't believe you. I don't believe you. I get a feeling, I don't wanna explain.
Well, hello and welcome to everybody who has joined us for what is a very, very special occasion. It is, of course, Super Cup Day, a clash of two mighty teams who were, without question, the greatest contributors to last season's excitement. All condensed into this game then, the teams will be aiming to repeat what they did last time round and demanding of themselves every ounce of focus. This gloriously imposing arena, absolutely picture perfect for a game of this nature. First serious game of the season, Jim. What do you think about it?
It falls somewhere in between friendly and fully competitive, I would say. Yes, you want to win a trophy, but you also know that it won't be the end of the world if you don't. I think pressure levels are lower, but then your competitive edge can't allow you to make it too easy for the opposition. So you have to give this what it demands.
Way. Jim, you've played in games of this nature. Who can make the difference?
Yeah, Virgil van Dijk. He's just about unbeatable in every department, Peter. He's strong, he's quick, he's totally dominant in the air.
Yeah, that does look a foul. Referee's given a free kick. Alisson sends that a long way. He spotted the run and played him through, and the shot! Cleared without complication. Robertson. And here's Roberto Firmino. Goalkeeper's ball.
Just to point out, Peter, that the fullbacks are quite high.
And what are they trying to achieve?
Well, it's obviously a move to push the opposition wide men back and give them more to think about.
And back to the keeper. Jordan Henderson. Keeper sends it forward. Just needed to be better than that, and he knows it.
for my daughter, my son, him go to flowers. People never wanna say they don't care. Fake rage for the checks getting clear. I ain't trying to live my life to compare. Just pay me for the love that I share. Yeah.
Get away by my mama place. Lay it down, she can quit today. Hit the max on my card today. Pay it back as soon as I can pay. Focus on the bottom line. Everybody fall behind.
Good evening wherever you are on this most pleasant evening. There has been clamour to get inside the ground tonight for a much anticipated game. The roads outside of the stadium have been bumper to bumper with traffic. The car parks are full. There is a torrent of humankind making its way from the nearby station, and we expect every seat to be filled. An atmosphere of great expectation and excitement. It stands here, the Curva, as the locals call them, make for quite an impressive sight, all in support of the grand old lady of the Italian game. Well, this is the perfect game for all parties, not least the neutrals who've just come to enjoy it.
Well, on the face of it, Peter, we would appear to have a high-caliber meeting with very little at stake. But then you consider a chance for one or two of the fringe players to get a look in, and this becomes a big incentive. It changes the dynamic. So there's plenty at stake for them, which will do no harm to the energy levels and the overall conviction, and hopefully the style of contest.
And if you did just miss it, we are up and running already. So, Jim, tell me this, who are you looking for in particular here?
Yeah, Gerard Piqué. He's just about the toughest opponent you can imagine when it comes to one-on-one tussles, Peter. Pretty much unbeatable in the air or on the ground. He's also very comfortable on the ball and quite adept at picking a pass, whether it be long or short.
Yeah, the scourge of so many strikers. A heavy challenge. It's come loose. I have to say, that was an exemplary tackle. Stopped him dead in his tracks. Now it's Morata. He's being closely tested here. Piqué. Coutinho looks to clip it forward. He spotted the rock. Griezmann!